Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money to someone else's Telecel account. So for this tutorial we'll be using the Send app because it doesn't require any fees with the transfer. So if you guys also want to use the Send app, once you create an account you can use my promo code from the description and you will get extra $15, euros or pounds on your first transfer. So don't miss that opportunity to get some extra funds on your transfer. Now, once you created the account, you will be on your homepage right here. So here what you need to do is select the country of your recipient. So let's say that they are in Ghana, because Ghana supports Telecel. Now you would just need to select the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. So let's say 10 euros. Now the process will be the same regardless from which country you're based in. Now you can input that promo code and get extra $15. As you can see, I already have some extra credit. And once you did that, you can just go ahead and tap on next. Now you would just need to select a recipient. So just go ahead and tap on add recipient. And here is where you can select Telecel. So I will just select Telecel. Now right here, you would just need to input the phone number of your recipient. After you inputted the phone number, just go ahead and tap on check details. And here we are. So once you check the details, this will be the confirmed transfer page. And on this page, you can add a promo code right here. So again, if you use this promo code, you will get $15 extra on your first transfer. Now you would also need to select a payment source. So just scroll down. And here you would be able to see the payment method. So I have it set to Google Pay, but you can change it right here. Now, once you selected the payment method and everything else, you can go ahead and tap on this pay button at the bottom of the screen. And essentially, this guys how you can transfer money to Telecel using the Send app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.